Now let's go to the hospital, specifically the morgue. Ang UST hospital, like any hospital, has seen countless deaths. It's the nature of the place. People come here hoping to be healed, and many are, but some don't make it. At ang morgue, well, that's where the bodies go. There's a famous story about a UST doctor who decided to ride the elevator down to the hospital morgue. There was only one other passenger inside. As the elevator descended, the doctor noticed a patient trying to catch the lift. Agad niyang isinara ang elevator door. The passenger asked her, "Bakit hindi mo hinintay?" The doctor explained, "That patient is wearing a red band on his wrist. I was warned that only corpses wear red wristbands, yung mga bangkay na nakatago sa morgue."